So I wanted to show you what I'm talking about. So if you notice, like, let's go for math. The students actually have the assignment. It's assigned, but if they click on the picture, like I mentioned, okay, they don't, well, this one doesn't have a document that they can work on. Okay, like this one. They have this Word document, but usually on other classrooms, what I've noticed, this document would be right here instead of here because they'll be able to open it, but I don't know if you're able to receive the document as turned in. Let me see. Okay, so you see it would only, they can write on it, but it doesn't allow them to turn it in like the other classes that I've noticed have the button that says turn in. And I think it's because the document itself is not here assigned as a work. So if we can get this document over here, it won't say mark as done. It would say turn in, and you will actually get the document that they completed. Because right here, I think it'll only save it, but the parent can write on it and save it, and then they have to come on here and mark it as done, which is, I don't know if you have access to this document anyway, but I just think it makes it simpler when that document is here. So that's what I noticed on y'all's. Kindergarten has done it like that, like they have a document to turn in, and I think it's pretty cool because I could see that kids are actually writing on it through Kami. Let me see. These are resources, guided reading. Let's see, ELA, what y'all got? Let me see. Okay, so for this one, for example, it's very important that the parent doesn't click on the document because you see they still got to go over here, etc. But if they click on the picture, again, we don't see that it's assigned to them. It's just right over here. So they open it with Kami, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. They'll be able to write on it and draw on it, but they won't be able to turn in. So I don't know if you want to reach out to kindergarten and see how they're assigning it. That will make it a lot simpler. Let me know if you have questions. And then so when we make that change, we can make a detailed video of how to access them, write on them, and then turn them in. Let me know what you think.